Oh my gosh, there's a rainbow over the Taco Bueno and a supercell over OKC. Yes, that was a sentence. Tornado warning?
Yeah.
It's rotating really hard right now, guys. Yeah, that's insane. Starting to organize. Whoa!
PM Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Amber, moving northeast at 20 miles an hour.
Oh, she is churning. Look at that. Oh, look at that. I've seen a view quite like this before. I've chased so many storms in my life, but that's just insane. Why is there no tornado sirens?
Won't have to go very far. Let's keep him on the southern side of the big storm down there. All right. Okay, Justin, can't hear you. Go ahead.
Can you hear me now?
I can now.
Okay, the inflow winds from Brandon's perspective has created a little bit of damage. He had a shed next to him. The tin roof got blown off, and that's just inflow winds feeding the warm, moist air into this storm. So it's a living, breathing storm that's kind of getting stronger based on what we're seeing on radar.
We have confirmation from people on the ground, viewers larger than tennis ball. And Andrew, if you get any pictures of any of that,
wow.
Dump it and holler. Okay. What's that?
Right.
Oh, is that?
Look at all of that.
Too many pictures? Okay.
It's honestly clearing out on the side. You see that? It's giving us the RFD starting to wrap around on the left.
Hailstorm for Norman. South Norman, West Norman, right there between there and Blanchard, and also close to the south. Big hail. Big hail. Okay. I'll tell you what, let's get Marty Logan shot. Justin, where's Marty right now? Justin, he's Western. Okay, he's on the side over there. And Marty's down in the metro. Let's get an update from Marty.
Wow, the RFD's clearing out that slot right there. Dude. Yeah, so it's right there, dude. Dude, it's clearing out all of it for us. What's that in there? Oh, there's the wall cloud. It's starting to appear in our faces.
Oh man.
Wow. Oh, wow. Dude. I just captured the entire RFD wrapping around this. It's on the ground. There's a tornado. I see it. It's on the ground. Look at it.
Yeah.
Tornado on the ground, guys. That's a big one.
It's in there. Yeah, tornado's in there.
You see a big tornado back in there, guys. I don't know if you can see it on my camera, but
Wow.
dude, that's huge.
Over here.
Let's get a little closer. We're still in a good view right now.
Folks, we got lots of Choctaw. That's the spin. Look how fast that's spinning. Go ahead, Brandon. It's going to be right behind you.
It passes right over there.
Go ahead.
Yeah, it's going right to our north.
I'm about 90% sure that it most likely has a tornado on the ground just by looking at the rain curtains wrapping around this entire circulation. It's going to be right over the top of these trees. You can probably barely make out what looks appears to be a funnel as I zoom in. I can't see it all the way concentrated because of the trees, but just by the violent, I mean not violent, but the amount of motion that's in these clouds with these rain curtains.
Yeah, I see it. It's right. You see the outline of it?
You can see it comes all the way and then it gets pulled back in and right there appears.
Dude, yeah, it's right there. It's right there in right front of us.
I mean,
It's kind of.
Dude, we gotta get out of here. Look at that.
Alright.
We need to go. The hail's coming right towards us. Large tornado right over there, guys. Large tornado heading straight towards us. Right there. You can see, guys, see it? It's heading in coal as we speak. It's getting rain wrapped. We need to get out of here pretty soon, but it's heading right towards us, guys. We need to go. Here in a second.
Let's go.
All right, yeah, let's get out of here. Let's go. It's going closer.
Yeah. Jim,
We got a massive tornado. I just saw the
tornado, at least an EM2, possibly an EM3. We have debris aloft at nearly 20,000 feet up. Let's go.
Okay,
Oh my God, guys, that's a huge tornado.
1 to 2 miles. I believe that there's a call on the south side of Highway 74.
It's a huge tornado. That's the biggest tornado I've ever seen in my life. I'm not even gonna lie. That's a huge tornado, guys. It's getting wrapped in rain. All right, we need to go. All right. We've got a new rotation right here, right in front of us. There's a funnel right there. Funnel right in front of us. Funnels. Yeah, funnel right in front of us. Yeah, that's crazy. There's two right in front of us. We gotta get going soon. Dude, what is going on?
No, I wear mine.
It's rotating faster in there. It's not looking good.